Alright, so today we have the Waterless Pro Car Wash Kit, the VAC109. The kit comes with 4 microfiber cloth and the solution itself. And that's it for this kit. There's 4 instructions on the back, and the instructions are very simple. All you gotta do is make sure you shake the bottle really well before you use it. You attach the nozzle right here where we did that. And all you gotta do is just spray this directly onto the car and wipe it with the microfiber cloth. All you gotta do is just spray it directly onto the part you want to clean. And just wipe it down. You can really tell the difference. There's all that dirt right here. And right now, this is pretty clean. I'm gonna do the next area.